if you're a new NinjaTrader 8 platform user, you might have wondered what these two buttons on the top right-hand corner of each chart means. Now, I'm referring to the interval link as well as the instrument link buttons. So whenever you open a chart, they will be on there, obviously, with all these other buttons that you're probably used to now already. All right, so for this tutorial, I'm going to be going through what these buttons mean and how they might be useful in your own trading. Right, so many traders, for whatever market they might be following, they might want to open multiple time frames. So specifically useful, these buttons, when you have multiple charts open. For example, here I've got crude oil open, and let's say you want to have 4 different charts. Some traders have multiple charts open, even more than that, maybe on different screens if they do have more than one screen. And they might have different indicators applied on different time frames. Right, maybe this is what they want to see following their particular strategy to make their own trading decisions. So here, for example, as an example, I've just got a 60-minute, a 30-minute, a 5-minute, and a 1-minute time frame open for the crude oil market. Right, so the first button I want to talk about is the one on the right-hand side. It's the instrument link button. It was also available during the NinjaTrader 7 era. Now, when they migrated to the NinjaTrader 8 version, they also included the interval link. But let's first talk about the instrument link. So with the instrument link, if I go ahead and click on that button, I'll be presented with a lot of different colors. All right. In this example, let's make crude oil red. I want to go to the other time frame, same market again, and make them all red. All right, so this means that all of these charts have been assigned the red button. So whenever I then go ahead, for example, and I want to switch to a different instrument, different market, and let's say we want to select the ES, E-mini S&P, then you'll see that by changing the instrument, all of these charts will then change that instrument as well. So very simple. The instrument link, if you link those charts with the same color and you go and change the instrument, then all of those charts with that specific color will then go and change to that market. So very, very simple stuff, right? Now, the other thing you can do is with regards to the interval link, basically just refers to the time frame. Right, so now let's say I want to select, you can select red again, but let's say use orange for this instance over here. And I go ahead and I on the second chart, and this is on the 60-minute, I selected that and go on the second chart, go to orange on the interval link, then you'll see it changed to 60 minutes, right? Let's do that, it changed to 60 minutes. Let's do that. And you can see it changed to 60 minutes. Now, because they're all linked, if I change the time frame on any one of these charts that the interval links link to, and switch that to 5 minutes, they all change to 5 minutes. Right, so that just saves a lot of time, saves a lot of going through these different clicks to go and select a time frame for each one of these charts, whatever the case might be, by selecting that interval link or the instrument link. All right, so it's particularly useful if you've got, let's say, workspace with different markets. Maybe you got another 4 charts open on a different screen with different indicators on it. Then you can assign a different color on the instrument for that particular strategy. You might be using different indicators than the other strategy you're following. And just quickly on the fly, change the instrument, all your charts with those individual indicators that's applied to each one will then revert to the new instrument. And the same thing for the actual interval if you want to change all of them to the same interval. So very easy to do, and that's what those buttons mean. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.